In this video, I'm about to show you how to play with friends on Minecraft Mobile from Nintendo Switch. To play Minecraft with friends on mobile from a Nintendo Switch, you need to ensure you're using the Bedrock version of Minecraft, which supports cross-platform play. If you already own Minecraft Nintendo Switch Edition, you can upgrade to the Bedrock version for free via the Nintendo eShop. First, sign into a Microsoft account. This account is essential for cross-play between the Nintendo Switch and mobile devices. If you don't have one, you can create it on the Microsoft website. Once signed in, launch Minecraft on both devices and ensure you're logged in with the same Microsoft account. On your Nintendo Switch, open Minecraft and select Play from the title screen. Then navigate to the Friends tab, where you'll see options to add friends or find cross-platform friends. Use this feature to add your friend's Microsoft account username or gamer tag. Once they accept your request, they'll appear on your friends list. To join a game, select Friends from the main menu and look for their hosted game under Joinable Friends. If you're hosting, create a new world or open an existing one and make sure multiplayer is enabled in the game settings. Then send an invitation to your friends to join your game. With cross-platform compatibility, you and your friends can enjoy building, exploring, and adventuring together regardless of whether you're playing on a Nintendo Switch or mobile device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.